you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to optimize its performance and reduce crashes. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve stability. Step 2. Verify game files. If a specific game is crashing, verify its files through Steam. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for and replace any corrupted files. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in games can help reduce crashes. Access the in-game settings menu and decrease options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This will lessen the load on your device and improve stability. Step 4. Manage background processes. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, go to the Quick Access menu, and exit any apps that are not needed while gaming. This frees up system resources and can help prevent crashes. Step 5. Check for overheating. Ensure your Steam Deck is well ventilated and not overheating. Avoid using it on soft surfaces and consider using a cooling pad. If the device gets too hot, it may crash to protect itself from damage. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Steam Deck and reduce crashing issues. Enjoy your gaming experience.